Question number 3. Write the following fractions in the ascending order. Now we have to write the fractions in ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means smaller to big number. Okay. So number 1, 2 upon 13. So numerator is 2 and denominator is 13. And second, numerator is 7, denominator is 13. Then numerator is 4, denominator is 13. Then numerator is 8 and denominator is 13. Here see all denominators are same. Yes. Okay. So 13, 13, 13, 13. Here all denominators are same. So we will compare the numerator. Which one is smaller? Okay. So first we will write here. The denominator are same. So compare the number. So we will compare the numerators. So numerators are 2, 7, 4, 8. So between 2, 7, 4, 8, which one is small? Smaller? 2. So first we will write 2 upon 13. Then between 7, 4, 8. Which one is smaller? 4. So we will write then 4 upon 13. Then between 7 and 8. Which one is the smaller? 7. So we will write 7 upon 13. Then we will write 8 upon 13. So this way we have to arrange fractions in a ascending order. Okay. When denominators are same, only just we have to arrange the fractions in ascending order, small to big. Now number 2, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 2, 6 upon 7, 5 upon 6. Here all the denominators are different. Yes. Okay, all the denominators are different. 3, 2, 7, 6. So how we will compare the number to arrange in ascending order? So what we will do? First we will take LCM to make the denominators same. Okay, so we will take LCM of denominators. So we will write here denominators are different. So first we take LCM of denominator. Which number there? 3, 2, 7, 6. Okay, we will take LCM of denominator 3, 2, 7, 6. 3, 2, 7, 6. Now first we will start from the 2 table. So first we will start with 2. 2 in 2 table 3 will not come. So we will carry down 3 same. Then 2 ones are 2. So 7 also will not come. So we will carry down 7 same. Then 6. In 2 table 1 6 will come. 2 3s are 6. Now 3, 1, 7, 3. So all are odd numbers. So it will not come in 2 table. So now we will move to 3 table. 3 ones are 3. So this 1 we will carry down. 7 will come in 7 table. Then 3 ones are 3. Now here 7 is there. So 7 will come in 7 table only. 7 ones are 7. So LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. So LCM equal to what we got? 42. So we have to make the denominator 42. So first fraction is what there? 2 upon 3. So first we will write 2 upon 3. So we want denominator 42. So what we will multiply 2 3 that we get 42 as a denominator. See 3 is there. So which number are left now? 2 and 7. So we have to multiply that. 2 7s are 14. So 2 7s are 14. So we will write here 14. See 3 14s are 42. Okay. So whichever number we are multiplying denominator, same we will multiply in numerator also. So 14 2s are, what there 14 2s are 28. Okay, now next fraction is what there? 1 upon 2. So we will write here 1 upon 2. And we want here denominator should be 42. So here 2 is there. So in LCM see 2. So which two numbers are left? 3 and 7. So we have to multiply. 3 7s are 21. So 2 21s we will get 42. Okay, same number we will write in numerator also. 1 21s are 21. Now next fraction is 6 upon 7. 6 upon 7. 6 upon 7 and we want the denominator 42. So what we will multiply with 7 to get 42 as a denominator? So see, here 7 is there and which two numbers are left? 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. So we will multiply with 7 6. 7 6 are 42. And same number we will multiply in numerator also. So 6 6 are 36. Now next fraction is what there? 5 upon 6. So we will write 5 upon 6. And we want denominator 42. Here 6 is there. So see, when 6 will happen, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so which number is left? 7. So we will write here in denominator 7. So 6 7s are 42. And same number we will multiply in numerator also. 5 7s are 35. So all the denominator become 42. So we will write first 28 upon 42. Then 21 upon 42. Then 36 upon 42, then 35 upon 42. So here we will make this first in a ascending order. So you see all the denominators are same. So now we have to compare the numerators 28, 21, 36, 35. Which one is the smallest? 21. So first we will write 21 upon 42. Then 28, 36, 35. Which one is the smallest? 28. So we will write 28 upon 42. Then which one is between 36 and 35? 35 upon 42. Then 36 upon 42. So now we have to write the question here. So 21 upon 42. Whose answer is this 21 upon 42? See, 21 upon 42 is 1 upon 2. So first will come 1 upon 2. Then 28 upon 42. So 28 upon 42. So we will write, instead of 28 upon 42, we will write 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. Then 35 upon 42. So 35 upon 42, in place we will write 5 upon 6. Then 36 upon 42. So 36 upon 42. So instead of, we will write 6 upon 7. So our ascending order is 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 6 and 6 upon 7. This is our answer. Now number 3, 4 upon 5, 2 upon 15, 1 upon 10 and 3 upon 20. So here also all the denominators are different. So we will write here denominator are different. So first we take LCM of 5, 15, 10, 20. So we will write here LCM 5, 15, 10, 20. So 10 and 20 will come in 2 table. So we will start with 2 table. Okay. First we have to start with smaller number, 2 table only. So in 2 table 5 will not come. So we will carry down it same. 15 also not come. So we will carry down it same. In 2 table when 10 will come, 2 5s are 10. Then in 2 table when 20 will come, 2 10s are 20. So now again we will take 2 table because here 10 is there. So it will come in 2 table. So this 5 will not come, 15 also will not come, 5 will not come. So 2 5s are 10. Now we will move to 3 table, 3 5s are 15. So we will write 3. and 5. So 3 5s are 15, and this all 5 will carry it down. Now all 5 5 5, so it will come in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. Okay, so we will write LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So here LCM equal to 60. So we have to make all denominators 60. So our first fraction is what? 4 upon 5. So we will write here 4 upon 5. And we want here denominator 60. So here 5 is there. So what we will multiply to make denominator 60? So see, 5 is there, and so we have to multiply this all. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So we will multiply 12 to 5. So 5 12s are 60. So whatever number we multiplied in denominator, same we will multiply in numerator also. So 4 12s are 48. Now second fraction is 2 upon 15. So we will write here 2 upon 15. And we want here denominator 60. So 15 means 5 3s are 15. So which number are left? 2 and 2. So 2 2s are 4. So 15 4s are 60. So same we will multiply 4 in numerator also. 4 2s are 8. Now next fraction is 1 upon 10. So we will write here 1 upon 10. And we want the denominator 60. So with 10 what we will multiply? See 10 how it will happen? 5 2s are 10. So which two numbers are left? 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. So we will write here 6. See 10 6 are 60. In numerator also we will multiply with 6. 1 6 are 6. Then 3 upon 20. So 3 upon 20. 60 we want as a denominator 60. So here 20 is there. So see 5 3s are 15. It will not become 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So which number is left now? 3. So we will multiply here 3. 20 3s are 60. And 3 we will multiply in numerator also. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So now we made all the denominators 60, 60 and 60. So now we will write 48 upon 60, 8 upon 60, then 6 upon 60, then 9 upon 60. So first we will arrange these in ascending order. So all denominators are same. So we will compare the numerators. 48, 8, 6, 9. So which one is the smallest? 6. So first we will write 6 upon 60. Then between 48, 8, 9, which one is the smallest? 8. So 8 upon 60. Then between 48 and 9, so 9 is the smallest. 9 upon 16, 60. Then 48 upon 60. In 6 upon 60, whose fraction is there? 6 upon 16, 1 upon 10. So we will write in place of 6 upon 60, 1 upon 10. Then 8 upon 60, 8 upon 60. In place of this we will write 2 upon 15. Then 9 upon 60. So in 9 upon 60 place we will write 3 upon 20. Then 48 upon 60. So we will write in place of 48 upon 60, 4 upon 5. So our answer is, we arranged in ascending order. Now number 4. 13 upon 4, 14 upon 5, 7 upon 2, 1 upon 3. Here also all the denominators are different. So we will write here denominators are different. So first we take LCM of 4, 5, 2, 3. So we will take LCM of 4, 5, 2 and 3. So here see 2 is there. So we will write 2 2s are 4. Then this 5 will come down. then 2 ones are 2, then 3 will come down. Again we will take 2, 2 ones are 2, then 5, 1, 3. Now we will take 3 table, 3 ones are 3. Then only 5 is left, so 5 will come in 5 table, 5 ones are 5. So now LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So LCM equal to 60. So we have to make denominator 60. So our first fraction is 13 upon 4. So 13 upon 4. So we want here denominator 60. So 4 is there. So see, 2 2s are 4. Now which number are left? 3 and 5. So 3 5s are 15. So with 4 we will multiply 15. So 4 15s are 60. In numerator also we will multiply with 15. So 13 15s are, we have to multiply and see. 5 3s are 15. 1 5 1s are 5. 6. Then we will write 1 0. Then 1 3s are 3. Then 1 1s are 1. 5. 6 plus 3 9. Then 1 195. So we will write 195. Now second fraction is 14 upon 5. So we will write here 14 upon 5. So we want denominator 60. So here 5 is there. So which number are left? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So with 5 we will multiply 12. In numerator also we will multiply. So 14 12s are, we will multiply and see. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 1 0 we will add. So 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1. 2 plus 4, 6, then 1, 168. Now next fraction is 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2. And we want denominator 60. So with 2 what we will multiply to get 60? So 2 is there. So remaining all we will multiply. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So with 2 we will multiply 30. So 2 30s are 60. And in numerator also we will multiply 30. Now 37s are 7 0 0, 7 3s are 21. So we will write 210. Now next fraction is 1 upon 3. So we want here denominator 60. So here 3 is there. So remaining all number we will take. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So with 3 we will multiply 20. So 3 20s are 60. And numerator also we will multiply with 20. So 120s are 20. Now 195 upon 60, then 168 upon 60, then 210 upon 60, then 20 upon 60. So all denominators are 60, 60 and 60. So we have to now arrange in a ascending order. So we will compare the numerators. 195, 168, 210, then 20. So which one is the smallest? 20. So first we will write 20 upon 60. Then between 195, 168, 210. Which one is the smallest? 168. Then between 195 and 210. Which one is the smallest? 195. Then 210, 60 upon 60. Now 20 upon 60, whose answer? 20 upon 60, 1 upon 3. So in place of 20 upon 60 we will write 1 upon 3. Then 168 upon 60, 168 upon 60 in place we will write 14 upon 5. 14 upon 5. In 195 upon 60 we will write 13 upon 4. 13 upon 4. And 210 upon 60 we will write 7 upon 2. So this is our answer. 1 upon 3, 14 upon 5, 13 upon 4 and 7 upon 2. Now number 5. 1 upon 4, 7 upon 10, 5 upon 6, 2 upon 5. So here also all the denominators are different. Here denominators are different. So first we take LCM of 4, 10, 6, 5. So we will start with 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 5 will not come in 2 tables, so we will carry down same. Then again 2 1s are 2. 5 will come down, 3 and 5 also will come down. Now we will take 3 table. 3 table 5 will not come, so we will carry down. In 3 table 3 will come. 3 1s are 3. Same way 5 also we will carry down. Now we will take 5 table. 5 1s are 5. So here LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. So first fraction is 1 upon 4. So we want here denominator 60. So 4 is there. So 2 2s are 4. So remaining which number are left? 3 and 5. So 3 5s are 15. With 4 we will multiply 15 to get denominator 60. So in numerator also we will write 15. So 1 15s are 15. Now next one is 7 upon 10. So we want denominator 60. With 10 what we will multiply? 10 how here it will happen? 5 2s are 10. So which two number are left? 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. With 10 we will multiply by 6. So 10 60 is 60. In numerator also we will multiply 6. 7 6 are 42. So now next one is 5 upon 6. With 60 we want denominator. So what we will multiply? 6 means 2 3s are 6. So which two number are left? 2 and 5. So 5 2s are 10. So with 6 we will multiply 10 to get 60. So in numerator also we will multiply 10. So 5 10s are 50. Now next fraction is 2 upon 5. We want denominator 60. 5 is there. So we will multiply this all. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So with 5 we will multiply 12 to get 60. 5 12s are 60. In numerator also we will multiply 12. 2 12s are 24. So we will write here all fractions. 15 upon 60. Then 42 upon 60. Then 50 upon 60. Then 24 upon 60. So here all denominator becomes same. So we have to compare now numerator. 15, 42, 50, 24. So which one is the smallest? 15. So 15 upon 60. Then between 42, 50 and 24. Which one is the smallest? 24 upon 60. Then 42 and 50. 42 upon 60. Then 50 upon 60. Now answer 15 upon 60 is whose fraction? Whose answer we got? 15 upon 60. 1 upon 4. Then 24 upon 60. Whose answer we got? 2 upon 5. Now 42 upon 60. We will write 7 upon 10. Then 50 upon 60. We will write 5 upon 6. So this is our answer.